The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. This show has been sponsored by JamaicaHealthBox.com for your high blood pressure, diabetes, your cleanse. Check out JamaicaHealthBox.com. Visit us or Google JamaicaHealthBox.com. The most healthiest herbs and all the tonics you need to take care of yourself. Check out JamaicaHealthBox.com. Jamaica good life. Living, loving, enjoying Jamaica. Easy, nice and easy. Yes, everything nice and easy. Big up to Manka, Gaza, Jason, family. Alright. Yes, man, nature. Sunday. Big up on yourself. This is Jamaica good life. Yeah, man. Go a little swim, go a little thing. You know? Going back home. You see? Now it's all about enjoyment, you know? It's all about living it. We give so much, we start so much things, we change so much, sometimes we just live and leave everybody behind. Big up to Kevin, yes, Exabar, Randy arrived, Randy reached. Time to relax and just teach. Some of the youth them forget the message, change and balance, we say. So we change up the things so we can have more balance. So right now, we're not in a too much people business right now. Take it easy. Enjoy the ocean, the breezy. You see? I live my life now. Now it's life living time. Now it's not giving time no more. We're giving up. We give so much. Sometimes we give too much, and them try to take off your shirt off of your back to blouse and skirt. I've watched the time, watch the clock, you know, people not easy, you know. Oh, give thanks for life, so we reach this far. Elevate yourself in the car. We're still a superstar. People, I Jamaica good life. Not change. I just the people them change, you know. Me never change, cause enough of them never really know me, so how am I to change? Oh, you don't know me, then how me to change? Enough of them don't know Randy. Same as the girls them candid. Big up to Sandy. Hey! Me say, what a social experiment. Big up to Comfort. Shaza, that's nothing. Fat, you know you're hot. Hot. Veleta, keep on your sweater. Yeah, Pauline, always. Janet, you know I go already. Boy, they don't know Randy to blouse and skirt. Hi, my brother, mom and my daughter. Life we say, you know. Jay Zaley, Uncle doing it, you know. Welcome to Godfrey Dyer Boulevard. Yeah, man, so basically it's all about enjoying, full enjoying yourself. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy a breadfruit And me I go roast the breadfruit in the rotisserie thing inside of the house. So me I show you what it's like to live in Mobay each and every day when we play in Mobay. So enough of them said, don't go Mobay, don't go here, don't go there. This show is sponsored by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. Pretty family. My brother, are you okay? A time for me enjoy myself. Look how much me do for so much people. Hey! Aye. What a legend, sir. Randy's a legend rated. Look how much of them I get help now. Boy. And for my own money. So some of the people them don't know me think that this is funny. Them don't know Sir Randy and the girls them can. Big up to Sunday and everybody a friend. Hey! Some of them not call back again. Hey! Them things that me I gonna miss them. The girls them, the people that would diss me I gonna miss me. The girls them will love me I gonna kiss me. This is my life. When me turn on the camera and my life me I show you. You think that me have to like and like it up and diss it up and the Almighty God take me through. We're at the beach. Not too bad. Nice spot here. Yes people, it's been a while, you know. It's been a long time. We're relaxed and easy. This is the life, you know. Finally take it easy for a while. You know people, the life, you know. Just live it, yeah? And do your own thing. Take care. Jamaica. Day at the beach. Healthy. Jamaica health box. I'm gonna lose the weight and thing. You see me? Yeah. Jamaica was that. $10 a day, 10 minutes away. Alright people, Doctor's Care. Big up to all the support of them. You see me over the years. You should have never changed direction. Hey, I listened to message you couldn't find nothing wrong bang in a Randy book. Up here sticky me get from God. You should have looked closer. Why? Yeah man. So we do the thing now. After you do a beach day, what do you have to do in Mobay? What is one of the best things to have for $500? Well, there's a place for them sell a 500 thing in the town, and what is a breadfruit what me want to buy right now? Want to buy a breadfruit and then I want to roast it and have some fish in the thing in the fridge. So what more have to really do? Have some cow skin too, but the firewood them wet. You see me? So we know say more have to roast a breadfruit there. And steam some fish. You see with the fry thing. Once a month to fry some chicken. Put it on the Jamaica health box now. Big up to everybody who watch the program, like it and love it. Them say me couldn't live at Jamaica, me this, me that. You know, me start the program, me not even go back there no bad thing. Me glad everybody I get help and everybody I do them thing. But thank God they left me alone now. Boy, thank God say Harmony Park. Them try to take me out, but me still alive to ride it. Them your people you could help them put on their head on their shoulder, then take their hand and lick you. Me say. Me learn a piece of the lesson about them people I say. If God can give them the blessing in a pot, then take the pot and dash it on God. Them ya, no sir. Them ya slave down here so no normal. Them ya slave mine ya. See the Harmony Park there I'm up here. And so me stay in I'm up here. And we no play. And so we stay. Can't buy too much road thing, you know. No. We're good. So this I don't take care of them, no bother with me. Sometime in your life in Jamaica you have to just camouflage yourself, because you can't look too cute in them places, you know. It's a cute city, you see me? So, and every time and every day if you buy things, and every day if you talk to people, and every day I buy by day, you see me? Some day you just come out, but it's a breadfruit me I hunt right now, and every day I buy day, you know? And yeah man, and try see if you can, when you're there in Jamaica, just stay away from the big long story them, and just celebrate God and your glory them. As much as you can learn to navigate by yourself, move by yourself, and find one or two for help out that one, and watch them at the right hand, and you know what the left hand I do, and then you just move. Yeah, not too much people around you. Schedule your own time. everybody I watch your dime. So you have to watch what you do. So Jamaica is a place where you just watch yourself and just ease yourself and prepare for anything. And when you left your yard, just give thanks and praise to the Almighty and just go on through. And on everything you see in a night, you must take up. What you think me safe in a Jamaica? Sir. Enough 90 we set you up to what you think all them time I Randy safe? The whole of them are look and watch why Randy now have a whole heap of people around him and a whole heap of this and a whole heap of that. No. I move a certain way. So I stay. And many times people hear your accent, them start the slackness. So you have to watch yourself, you know. That's how me safe for so long. Because I keep myself to myself. And then everything I say move sexy, I jump on it, I know what I do. Yeah, so I say, as a man you have to know what you do. It's a good day today. So 12 o'clock we push out, go to the beach. Tourists them still go about them business. You know the city over there, so. But breadfruit about 400. You know, the market, so we have to park out front and check my friend them. Long time I know some mass here. Fire station down here, so that's the craft market. Right? And over the seaside, the ship. So Mobay is a place where it's nice, man. And you have to know for move, I know for check my car on the tax office, I know for pay land tax, I know for do everything now, just simple tax office, I know for service car, go market do me I do, I know for stay from people. But my people them over there, so Crude Island them, that at the seaside, so my town, you see? We're not tourists. We live here. You see me? After we town this and we enjoy the beach today. This is a normal day for orange man. That's a 500 after a bag of orange. Good time. So I'm going to go park up out front out the market. Hi! Randy started from 2005. Big up to all the charity program them. Everybody. Nothing no change. Randy still remain the same. I never did know me, so I can't say the change. Now the same youth. I don't know how to stay already. Rumors them spreading. Him say I sense me planting. What time I not the dunning and the juggling. I play on my place. This is Jamaica good life, it's not a cook life. Hot feet, says so. See you. Never forget to know. Yeah man, see my people and myself, my coconut right now. And the coconut now look fine up. Right now me I look for breadfruit now look for. I'll park up the star right there, so. The car name is Salvation, enough people is saved from Trenchtown to Norway. So nothing, you know, car name Salvation, Jamaica Health Box. We go to see what people are.